Hello guys, in this video we're gonna learn basic Python. So this is the first video of the series, and in this particular video we're gonna learn about print statement, data types, and variables. That is the basic things, and you need to learn those. So it's gonna be really easy. And if you don't know, guys, I'm using pycharm, and if you wanna install it and follow along with me, then you could watch a tutorial and then install it, and then let's get on. So first we'll learn print statement. What print statement does is it actually prints anything you type into it into the console, like this one. So I previously typed hello, for the practice of teaching it. So let me type it. So it's basically print and parentheses, and then if you want to type something, we could actually use quotation marks, and when we could type anything you want. Hello world. I type it and then I run it. See, it displays hello world. If you want something else, I am the best. Let me run it again. I am the best. See, it types anything you want, but it should be inside those marks. And if I put it outside the marks, it will show error, as you can see, a syntax error. So be aware, guys, put it inside the marks, and use parentheses and not brackets. Okay, so you could print a lot of things with it. You could also print numbers 1 2 3 blah blah blah. You could print anything you want. So hello world. You can do a lot of things with the print statement. It is very useful. And now we should get on with variables. So a variable is something that stores data. So I'm gonna make a variable right now. In Python, it is super easy to make a variable. You just name your variable and put an equal to sign, and then type the information. So in Python, instead of spaces, we use underscores. So if I type man age, I and then equal to 20, I type underscore instead of spaces. So let me run it. See, it won't show anything because we're not printing anything. We have just created a variable. But if I do a space, it doesn't take spaces. So it will show an syntax error. So use underscores, and you could if you don't want to use the underscores, then you could just see it becomes manage. So what you could do is make the other word capital like that, but for right now we're just going to use underscores, as we also need to. And we could store any type of data. So in Python we have three types of data. We have data types, we have booleans, we have strings, and we have numbers. So in numbers we have two types of numbers: int and float. Int and float. So int is used for whole numbers, like 1 is a int, 20 is a int, 100 is a int. Float is only used for decimals, like 20 point wait, sorry, 20 point whatever. That means it is a float. But if there's no decimal, that means it is a int. Variables are actually very useful. And the next data type is a string. So string is what inside is quotation mark. So I could type hello inside it, hello, and then and now print statement. When you're displaying a variable, you don't use marks, because if I use I use quotation marks and then print it. See, it will display manage and not hello, because it gets converted to a string and it is not a variable. So we got when you're printing a variable, move the quotation marks. Yeah. And now if I run it, see hello. So you could print all the variables, like I could print manage, man gender is equal to male, and I could do print man, oh wait, man gender. So if I run it, see hello male. So you could print anything in this you want. I could print anything. And the next one is boolean. So boolean is actually true or false. So we are not gonna use that right now, but we'll use that later. True or false, like that. So we don't use booleans for printing, but we use it, for. I'll explain later about that. So. So this is it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.